The error message directs users to a page that supposedly lists supported hardware and operating systems. However, upon opening the link, the page actually lists unsupported hardware and configurations instead. This can be confusing because it makes users believe their hardware is supported when it might not be. If your graphics card is on that list, it means it is no longer supported by the latest NVIDIA drivers, which means you won't be able to install NVIDIA app. Follow these steps to check your hardware compatibility. Click on the link within the error message or go to it directly. https://nvidia.cust-help.com/answers/detail/a_answers/3473/. Check if your GPU model, e.g. GeForce GT555M, is on the list. If your hardware is listed, it is no longer supported by the latest drivers. Download the appropriate legacy driver for your GPU from NVIDIA's official website. If your system has multiple GPUs, such as an integrated Intel graphics card alongside the NVIDIA GPU, conflicts can arise. Disabling the additional GPU may not be sufficient, and uninstalling it completely could resolve the error. Right-click on Start and open Device Manager. Locate and expand the Display Adapter section. Right-click the non-NVIDIA GPU, or it could be any non-supported GPU, and select Uninstall Device. Confirm any prompts that might be present. Restart your computer to finalize the changes. Remove old NVIDIA drivers and software. Residual files from previous NVIDIA installations can conflict with new installations. A clean removal may resolve this. Download DDU from the official website. Extract the compressed file. You should find the installer inside. Next, while holding the Shift button, click on Start, Restart. After a reboot, go to Troubleshooter, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. Press 4 or F4 to access Safe Mode. After a restart, go to the location where you downloaded DDU. Click on Display Driver Uninstaller.exe to open the program. Close the Options window. Under Device Type, pick GPU from the drop-down menu. Click Clean and Restart. Your PC will restart. Use the official NVIDIA page or automatic tools like DriverFix to install the latest GPU driver on your PC.